everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celestia and thank you so much for stopping by. I want to do a shout out to my friend Gina from Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals. She has sent me this incredible, I just love this so much, this incredible Christmas tree that she made from wine corks. It's such a fantastic idea. I'm going to treasure this, Gina, for such a long time because it is just, it's unique, and I can just see it standing in my craft space every holiday season. So I'm going to carefully pack this away at the end of the season so that I preserve it and I can bring it out again next year. I just love it so much. Thank you so much, Gina. And then I also wanted to highlight, because Gina makes these incredible cards and puts the most amazing sentiments on them. And this was her Thanksgiving fall card that she had sent me, and the attention to detail is just gorgeous. And I'll put a link to Gina's channel. Please go and check her out. She makes, shares and makes beautiful cards. I'm always excited when I receive one. So that was my Thanksgiving card. And then I also received a Christmas card from her with a lovely personal note. Again, it just has that sort of vintagey, old holiday, old-timey feel to it, which I love so much. And again, this lovely message. And she always has this stamp at the bottom that says, "I've researched the world high and low and looked all over the land, and the best card I could find for you is this one I made by hand." Handmade cards, the best always. And then her message to me was, "Dear Celeste, I just wanted to send you a little something. A little something would be the tree," which again I just love. "I wish you a Merry Christmas. This is going to be a wonderful Christmas for you and your family." And and then she says, "I think it's a Hallmark Christmas movie." And the reason why she's saying that is because my family from South Africa and my family from Australia are coming for Christmas, and it'll be the first time we have a Christmas together, gosh, in 27 years. So it's just going to be a full house, and it's going to be wonderful. So thank you, Gina. Thank you so very much. And I wanted to give something back to you guys for supporting me. So I will also put a link to my community page here on YouTube, and I've uploaded these are my fabric designs that I decided I will put onto these tags. And so I've put these on my community page, and all you have to, if you're running late with tags, because I know we're all really busy, you can go and have a look and download these. I'm just giving them to you guys. Please go and download them, print them out on some cardstock, and they're yours to use. So I'll put a link to my community page for this. And again, I know I keep saying thank you, but I can't say thank you enough. Gina, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. And I hope everybody has a fantastic holiday season, and we'll see you in the new year. Bye.